Hello guys, welcome to our official first video for Unconventional Calculators. We are happy to show to all of you our research, and in this video, we are going to show you how to use our online calculator. First of all, go to Our Products, where you can find all the details about the calculators. Then select the one you want to test, for example, the feces calculator. Once you open it, it's simple. You just fill the form and click on Calculate. And the game is done. You can also select the weight unit you prefer in order to avoid confusion about numbers. Let's check out the urine calculator now. As you can see, the form is similar, ready for you to fill, and then, once you are done, click on Calculate to get your estimation. Now let's move on to the hair loss calculator, our last creation, which calculates the amount of hair you naturally lost over your entire lifetime. As usual, fill in the form and boom, you have your number. Before concluding this first video, we would like to let you know about our Ko-Fi. If you want to support our research, we would be very grateful. All right, that's all for now. If you have any sort of questions or you need any explanation about our calculators, we have a Get in Touch section on our website. Thanks for watching.